High-Strangeness in Aeolis Region on Mars. My name is Jean. Thanks for joining me. This is the high-rise photograph we'll be analyzing. I'll include the link to this page below. Acquired on the 22nd of May 2014 at 25 centimeters per pixel. I'll be showing you images I cropped from the JP2 black and white map projected file. This is a crop from the low-res JPEG, and this area is located 6 degrees below the equator. The first anomaly we're looking at is this huge block that's lodged itself in the side of this hill. It's about 10 meters wide, and what makes this really intriguing is the strange ridge line running across the one side, really straight and quite uniform. So that's a zoom in of that block, and I just thought that ridge is really very artificial looking. And then this really weird anomaly over here to the right of that block. And what made this interesting was the front part, or the right hand part of this strange worm-like anomaly. Not that that is a worm, but you guys can see why I say so. It's got this long straight piece to it, and then this area here in the front looks almost as if it's worked somehow, a type of machinery used over here. That narrow rectangular opening that seems to have been carved into this strange worm-like shaped anomaly. And then over here, that also looks as if that area there is unnatural, and also nicely defined edges. Almost looks as if this is like a step type of feature. So I just thought I'd show you guys that. It could be a natural geological feature, but it does look rather strange. It's about 50 meters long. And then another one of these giant 10-meter wide blocks, straight edges, almost right angles, and this area here that it seems to be protruding out of looks as if it's been machined or worked somehow. Also straight edges and very geometrical in shape. And found what looks like another giant megalithic block. It's quite eroded. This one's about 25 to 30 meters long and about 8 meters wide. Very similar to other blocks that I've found, and those are featured in previous videos. I encourage you to check those out if you get a chance. And this one side also has a straight, that looks like a slot or an opening that might have been carved or machined into this one side. Straight sides, and viewed from the side, right angles. So also very odd. And then this larger block, about 25 meters in length and about 15 meters wide. Then it's got this consistent depth to it. this might be a natural geological feature, but on the other hand, if you look at the straight edges and right angles, it looks almost like a megalithic block that we'll find on Earth. And then, yeah, this area there also seems that there might have been activity there. So there's the block close-up. So very eroded. So could that be an unnatural anomaly? And we're looking at another one of these strange geometric shapes that have been carved or mined perhaps into the side of this hill. Check that out, very rectangular, some straight lines and almost right angles in that. So could that have been a top of a mine or an entranceway that's been cut into that side? It's about 25 meters across, about 12 meters high. And that reminds me of another strange geometric shape that seems to have been carved into the surface. It's from this high-rise photograph. There's a crop from the low-res JPEG, and there it is close up. Looks like this triangular shape that's been machined or carved into the side of this hill. And this one's a lot bigger, measuring almost 80 meters across. So let's quickly have a look at where those anomalies are found. There's the North Pole. As I say, it's very close to the equator. In this Aeolis region. It's right here in this very mountainous area. See what it looks like with the CTX switched on. So yeah, could those anomalies I showed you be artificial in nature? Or is it just some work of nature and geology? Please let me know what you guys make of these. If you haven't subscribed and you'd like to, please remember to turn on notifications so that you get informed as soon as I upload my next video. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching.